Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Google Wallet and you will find it here. You will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem, so please don't forget to support us.